Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad. First, gather your ingredients. Choose about 5 to 7 different types of fruit for a vibrant mix. Think about a pound of strawberries, 1 cantaloupe, 2 oranges, and a cup of blueberries. You will also need a large bowl and a cutting board. This initial step sets the foundation for a delicious and refreshing dish. Next, it is time to prepare your chosen fruits. Carefully wash all produce, ensuring everything is clean. For fruits like melon or pineapple, remove the skin and seeds. Cut larger fruits into 1-inch cubes, while smaller berries can remain whole. Aim for consistent sizes, so every spoonful offers a balanced blend of flavors and textures. This meticulous preparation ensures a delightful eating experience. Now, let us create a light and flavorful dressing to enhance your fruit salad. In a small bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon or 2 limes with 2 tablespoons of honey. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a subtle aroma. Whisk these ingredients until well combined. This simple dressing brightens the fruit flavors without overpowering them, adding a lovely sheen to your salad. Finally, it is time to bring all your delicious components together. Carefully transfer all the prepared and cut fruit into your large mixing bowl. Pour the freshly made dressing evenly over the fruit. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently toss the salad until every piece is lightly coated. Serve immediately for the best flavor and texture, or chill for about 30 minutes to an hour before serving. Enjoy your perfectly crafted fruit salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.